guys, in this video we're going to be bringing you to the top best hotels in Secunderabad with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. We've also provided additional details about Secunderabad in our description box below, so make sure that you check it out. This hotel list comprises of the 4-star hotels, the 3-star hotels as well as the budgeted hotels. The hotel list is not in order, so make sure that you watch the video till the end so that we can help you select the best hotel for your stay. Alankrita Resort and Convention. This is one of the most popular, fanciest resorts in Secunderabad. This resort offers a water park, a spa, 3 different types of restaurants, plus an indoor and outdoor swimming pool. It is located just about 1 kilometer away from the popular Dormer Circle. This resort is a heritage site and it has also won various awards for its ambience. The resort also offers a holistic experience as you can enjoy a variety of treatments at their Ayurvedic spa. They have a children's playground and they also have a beautiful garden where you can enjoy the beautiful greenery and the ambience of the resort. It is one-of-a-kind resort having rich interiors and detailed architecture. This resort has different categories of rooms available, starting from a standard room going up to an executive room. They also have options of a pool villa rooms. You can also check out the links in our description below for your direct booking. The Celebrity Resort. This 4-star resort is an excellent choice for any of you looking out for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. The Celebrity Resort provides a breathtaking surrounding which makes your stay very pleasant, and there is a lot of space for fun and excitement. This resort provides superior services and also a broad range of amenities. They have an outdoor pool, a kids club, a gaming room, 2 different types of restaurants providing different cuisines, an in-house bar, a coffee shop and a poolside bar as well. All the superior amenities provided by the resort helps you unwind after a long, relaxing day in the city. The rooms here are really spacious, the beds are super comfortable. They have different categories of rooms available as well. For any booking details, you can check out the links in our description below. Hotel Minerva Grand. This hotel is about 10 minutes away from the city center, which makes it accessible for you to explore all the town's attractions and activities. The hotel provides excellent services and facilities. They have an in-house restaurant which serves continental cuisine, and it also has a 24-hour room service facility. They have an in-house tour desk where you can plan your daily tours. Apart from this, they also have facilities like a fitness center, an in-house bar, a coffee shop, 24-hour front desk services and also a free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a flat screen TV, a private bathroom, a separate seating area and a desk. The beds here are very soft and comfortable. The hotel also provides you with different categories of rooms available. You can also check out the booking codes in our description below for your direct booking. The Purple Leaf Hotel. This hotel has been newly renovated in 2014. It provides a pleasant stay for you in Secunderabad. Whether you're visiting the city for business or as a tourist, this hotel is the best choice for you. It's located about 45 minutes away from the airport. It provides you with excellent services and facility and makes sure that you have an unforgettable stay. The restaurant and the hotel provides a wide range of cuisine. They also have a vegetarian buffet option available. For your entertainment, they also have an in-house bar, a coffee shop. The rooms here are huge and extremely comfortable, and you can enjoy the beautiful city view from your room itself. This hotel has different categories of rooms available, and if you're interested to book this hotel, you can check out the booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Taj Tri-Star. This hotel provides quality accommodation in the business shopping district of Hyderabad. It is absolutely perfect if you're visiting the city for business or as a tourist. It is less than 1 kilometer away from the city center, which makes it accessible for you to explore all the town's attractions and activities. It is also one of the only hotels in Secunderabad which has an in-house nightclub. Their in-house restaurant here serves Indian cuisine and barbecue as well. The hotel also has an in-house fitness center, a tour desk, a bar as well as a coffee shop. The rooms here are very spacious, the beds are super soft and comfortable. Some of the rooms here also come with an option of a bathtub. If you're interested in booking this hotel, you can also check out the links in our description box below. Have you dropped us your like button yet? If not, we'd really appreciate a like button from your side. You can also subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals and also different travel tips. The Grand Solitaire Hotel. This hotel offers amazing accommodation at a very reasonable cost in the business shopping district of Hyderabad. Whether you're visiting the city for business or as a tourist, this hotel will definitely not disappoint you. It is only about 15 minutes away from the city center, which makes it very easy for you to explore this beautiful city. They offer a wide range of facilities and superior services. You can unwind at their in-house fitness center after a long busy day at the city. The hotel has a bar, a coffee shop, an in-house restaurant which also offers you a wide range of cuisine. and a 24-hour room service facility. This hotel has different categories of rooms available, and you have an option to choose between a twin bed or a king size bed. Each and every room here is very well equipped, and you can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your room itself. We have also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box for your direct booking. Hotel Metropolis. This hotel is an epitome of luxury and warm hospitality. This hotel is very famous for organizing weddings, and the banquet hall can accommodate up to 500 people. They also have an in-house business center and a conference room where you can host any kind of meetings. This hotel has an in-house 24-hour coffee shop. The staff here is very well groomed and very polite. It is a great hotel, centrally located, and it provides the best services, and it also has an excellent menu for their breakfast. The rooms here are very spacious, and you have an option to choose from a twin bed to a king size bed. The beds are really soft and comfortable, and rooms are very well scented. If you're interested in booking this hotel, please make sure that you check the booking codes in our description box below. Times Square, the landmark hotel. This 3-star hotel is located about 20 minutes away from the city center, which makes it conveniently located for you to explore this beautiful city. This hotel has a beautiful banquet hall where you can host any kind of celebrations or functions. This hotel provides top-class facilities and services. They have a 24-hour front desk service, an in-house coffee shop, an in-house restaurant which provides 24-hour room service and also provides a wide range of cuisine. You can also plan your daily tours from their in-house tour desk. This hotel offers a very relaxed and hassle-free stay. The rooms here are spacious, very well equipped, and you can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your balcony. Prices of this hotel is really reasonable for the services they are offering. To get the best deal for this hotel, you can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Incredible One Hotel. This is a boutique hotel which has carved a niche for itself in the division of hospitality. They offer breathtaking personalized services and facilities for their guests. This hotel has a beautiful swimming pool where you can just relax and unwind after a long busy day. The hotel also has a banquet hall which is perfect for a birthday party or an engagement party or any kind of celebration. They have an in-house restaurant which provides a wide range of cuisine. The rooms here are spacious and very well maintained, and also this hotel is reasonably priced. Please make sure to check the booking codes in our description box below for your direct booking. The Royal Revi Hotel. This hotel is about 20 minutes away from the city center, which makes it accessible for you to explore this lovely city. The hotel provides excellent services and superior facilities. The staff here at the hotel is extremely helpful and very well knowledgeable. This hotel is famous for organizing weddings, and their banquet hall is very beautiful and it can accommodate up to 300 to 400 people at a time. Apart from this, they also have services like a fitness center, a tour desk, a front desk service, an in-house bar or coffee shop, 3 different types of restaurants providing different cuisines, a babysitting service, and also a car rental services for their guests. All the rooms here are very well equipped and well maintained. They also come up with a separate seating area. Pricing of the hotel is really reasonable for the services they are offering. To make your booking at the earliest, please check out the booking codes in our description box below. If you have visited any of these hotels, please make sure that you drop us your experiences in our comment section below. We wish you a safe and a wonderful stay. Bye bye.